Every parent wants to see their little one smile with confidence while exploring the world safely. Choosing the best anti-tip baby balance bike ages 1 3 4-wheel is more than buying a toy. It's giving your child the joy of early independence and unforgettable moments of growth. The right balance bike can inspire happy memories, encourage active play, and bring peace of mind to parents who value quality and safety. Discover why so many families are making this thoughtful choice for their toddlers. Number 1. Anti-tip baby balance bike ages 1 3 4-wheel. The early years of childhood are filled with curiosity, excitement, and unforgettable milestones. This anti-tip baby balance bike for ages 1 to 3 offers a wonderful way for toddlers to enjoy active play while building confidence through everyday movement. Each ride creates opportunities for growth, helping young children feel proud as they explore the world around them. Many parents search for a meaningful toy that supports development while bringing genuine happiness. This toddler training ride-on encourages a sense of achievement through playful activity, making every day more engaging and enjoyable. As children become more adventurous, they gain valuable experience that helps strengthen independence and self-confidence. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor enjoyment, this balance bike keeps little ones interested in healthy movement rather than passive entertainment. The smooth riding experience promotes coordination and body awareness while turning simple moments into exciting adventures. Whether chosen as a birthday surprise, holiday present, or thoughtful gift, this toddler walker brings lasting value to family life. It inspires imagination, encourages exploration, and creates joyful memories that parents and children can cherish throughout the precious early stages of development. Number 2. 4-wheels children balance bike. Every child deserves joyful moments that inspire learning, movement, and confidence. This 4-wheels children balance bike brings excitement to daily play while encouraging toddlers to explore their surroundings with enthusiasm. As young minds become more curious, meaningful activities help create positive experiences that support healthy growth and memorable childhood adventures. Parents often seek a thoughtful gift that combines entertainment with developmental value. This infant baby walker offers an engaging way for children aged 1 to 3 to enjoy active play while building self-assurance through everyday exploration. Each journey across a room becomes an opportunity to discover something new, helping little ones feel proud of their progress. The cheerful atmosphere created during playtime keeps children interested and motivated. Bright visual elements and enjoyable sounds add extra excitement, making ordinary days feel more special. Families can share precious moments filled with laughter, happiness, and growing independence. Perfect for birthdays, celebrations, or special occasions, this toddler first bicycle ride-on toy encourages imagination, curiosity, and movement. It helps create lasting memories while supporting important developmental milestones, making it a wonderful choice for parents who want to nurture confidence and joyful childhood experiences. Number 3. Baby ride-on vehicles 2-in-1 rocking horse. Childhood becomes more meaningful when every day is filled with imagination, laughter, and exciting adventures. This baby ride-on vehicle creates a delightful play experience that keeps young children engaged while encouraging natural exploration. As little ones grow, they enjoy discovering new ways to move, learn, and interact with their surroundings, creating moments that families will treasure for years. Parents often look for toys that bring genuine happiness while supporting active development. This larger toy car and rocking horse combination inspires creativity and curiosity, helping children enjoy a playful journey through their early years. Every moment of movement encourages a sense of achievement, allowing young minds to develop confidence through enjoyable activities. Designed to become a favorite companion during playtime, it offers an engaging experience that keeps children entertained while promoting independence. Whether enjoying quiet indoor moments or energetic family gatherings, it helps create a cheerful atmosphere filled with smiles and excitement. An excellent gift choice for boys and girls. This children walker toy delivers lasting enjoyment and memorable experiences. It supports imaginative play, encourages active engagement, and helps build precious childhood memories that remain special long after the early years have passed. Number 4. Four-wheel toddler scooter cartoon penguin balance bike. Bright childhood memories often begin with playful adventures that encourage curiosity and self-confidence. This four-wheel toddler scooter cartoon penguin balance bike brings a delightful experience to young children who are eager to explore, move, and learn through everyday play. Its charming appearance instantly captures attention, turning ordinary moments into exciting opportunities for discovery. Parents appreciate toys that inspire active engagement while creating a positive environment for development. This learning to ride baby scooter encourages toddlers between 1 and 3 years of age to enjoy movement in a fun and rewarding way. Each playful journey helps children feel more independent while supporting important stages of growth and coordination. The cheerful atmosphere created during playtime keeps little ones interested and motivated. Entertaining sounds and colorful illumination add extra excitement, helping children remain engaged while enjoying meaningful activities. Families can share joyful experiences filled with laughter, smiles, and memorable achievements. A wonderful gift for birthdays, celebrations, or special occasions. This toddler balance bike promotes imagination, exploration, and active fun. It helps create treasured moments while encouraging confidence, making it a valuable addition to a happy and growing childhood journey. Number 5. Four-wheel sliding balance bike toddler walker toy. Every growing child deserves opportunities to explore the world with excitement and confidence. This four-wheel sliding balance bike toddler walker toy encourages young adventurers to enjoy active play while developing important movement skills through fun daily experiences. Each playful ride inspires curiosity, helping children discover their surroundings in a way that feels natural and rewarding. Parents often search for meaningful toys that support healthy development while creating happy childhood memories. This toddler balance bike offers an engaging activity that keeps little ones interested in movement and exploration. As children become more confident, they enjoy greater independence and a stronger sense of achievement during playtime. Designed for boys and girls who love action and discovery, this scooter-style ride-on toy brings energy and enjoyment to everyday routines. The smooth riding experience encourages coordination, body awareness, and active participation, helping children stay engaged in positive activities rather than passive entertainment. An excellent choice for birthdays, family celebrations, or thoughtful gifting. This toddler sport toy creates moments filled with laughter and excitement. It supports imagination, encourages self-confidence, and helps families build cherished memories during the most important years of early childhood growth and learning.